God could not be everywhere. That's why He created mothers. Respected dignitaries, principals, sir, mothers, teachers, and my friends, please accept my one greeting. Namaste. I am Anshubit Bandari. I am 9 years old. I study in class 5 in Navasuntahan Academy. I live in Gokarneshwar, Suntahan. Today I am very much happy to be here in front of you all in this stage on the occasion of Vaishak Krishna Mata Tirtha Aushi Amako Mukhelne Din. Today, 2082, Vaishak 13, I am going to deliver a short speech about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is the special day. We have to show love and respect to our mothers. We grow up in one care of our mother's lap. Our mothers are like a goddess for us. Mothers give us birth, take care of us, love us and protect us. Mothers help to learn many things. Mothers are our very first teacher. Mothers teach us good manner and always be best for us. We should always love and respect to our mothers, not just in Mother's Day, but every day. This much for today. Allow me to stop my words here. Thank you. Namaste.
झिकेर मुटुको टुक्रा आँखाभित्र अटाउँछिन् भोका भोकै बसी आफू छाती चुस्न खटाउँछिन् झिकेर मुटुको टुक्रा आँखाभित्र अटाउँछिन् भोका भोक